Hi, welcome to Family Recipe. My name's Anne, and today we're making the best and easiest marinade for my mom's grilled chicken. I'm starting out by slicing 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts in half lengthwise. So I'm going to put my palm of my hand on top of the chicken breast and slice it this way. So then I have 2 thinner pieces. And then I'm just going to take a second and trim off some of the fat. So what you want is 2 thinner cutlets that are going to cook quicker and more evenly on the grill. I put all of the pieces of chicken into a gallon zip-top bag, and now for the perfect marinade. We're using 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, a half a cup of olive oil, 1 beaten egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning. And just in case you don't have poultry seasoning in your pantry, it's a mix of a few herbs, including thyme, sage, marjoram, and rosemary. So if you have any of those, just throw in a little bit. It's going to add great flavor. I'll add in my olive oil. And next is the apple cider vinegar. And this is going to help break the meat down as it sits in the fridge for about an hour or 2 before we grill it. And it's going to make it so tender. It's delicious. So in goes the vinegar. And I've used white vinegar before too, and it tastes great. Our beaten egg. And this kind of helps bind the marinade to the chicken, and it also gives it a little bit of a crispy crust when you grill it. And lastly, the spices. And I love that this recipe includes poultry seasoning because I buy it every year at Thanksgiving and then I never have any other use for it. So this is a great way to keep using that poultry seasoning. So I'm just gonna zip up the bag and squish it all around. Little chicken massage here. And then I'm going to pop it in the fridge for an hour or 2 while it marinates before I grill it. The chicken's been marinating in my fridge for a couple of hours, and now we're ready to grill it. I'm going to dispose of the rest of the marinade and definitely wash my hands. The chicken's going to cook for probably about 5 minutes on the first side, and then I'll come out and flip it. I use my meat thermometer to check the internal temperature of the chicken. This is all cooked through to 165 degrees, so we know that it's done. Now I get to try it. It is so juicy. You're going to love it. I love my mom's marinated grilled chicken because it's so versatile. We're gonna eat some of this for dinner tonight. You can throw it into salads, into sandwiches. It's great. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen and on my deck. I'll see you again soon. For the full recipe, check the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen.